Hello, folks. It's me again, the conductor. We are so excited. Tonight, our family and friends are going to a campout. Buddy wants to make sure everyone has what they need to go camping. Let's help Buddy get the campsite ready. Gilbert thinks some large ferns would be nice for a tent. They give us shade from the sun and keep us dry if it rains. Collect 5 of these for the campfire. Click to jump. Click up to get Buddy to jump up. Click down to get Buddy to jump down.
Hello.
Fun fact, Lambeosaurus were big, 40 to 50 feet long, and may have weighed 5 tons. That's as much as several school buses.
Hey! We gathered all the ferns! Fantastic!
Mom Pteranodon asks Buddy to collect firewood since everyone enjoys a campfire.
Hello.
Fun fact, Triloposaurus were the first dinosaurs discovered in Antarctica.
Hey! Hi! We gathered all the firewood pieces. You did it!
Hank and the Lambeosaurus family are herbivores. They eat lots of plants and would like fresh greens and vegetables for a salad.
Hello.
Fun fact, dinosaurs have endless teeth. They fall out and new ones just grow in. Mammals get 2 sets of teeth, baby teeth, and after they fall out, adult teeth.
Hey! Hi! We gathered all the greens and vegetables. Great job! That's all of them. Let's head back to the campsite.
What a great night thanks to you and Buddy. You gathered ferns for Gilbert. You gathered firewood for Mrs. Pteranodon. You gathered greens for the Lambeosaurus family and Tank. Now let's all enjoy the campfire together with our family and friends.